chatbot for your site without even needing to write code and stuff. So let me share my screen. Okay, can we see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, sawa sawa. So let me go back to where this all started. So ideally, um, just stop me if you need me to clarify on anything. So ideally, you create. Oh, I didn't even introduce the chat. So this is chatbase.co. You can just open it up from your end. So I'd already built something. It doesn't. I'm using the free plan, so I can just make one. I'd already tried something. But what we can do is I can just open another one. Or I just use that one, and then when you're using, you make sure you just sign in. You can even go in using Google. And then what you do when you're making a new agent, how do I show you this with? Okay. Okay, let me just make a new one. It's Chatbot. Let me change the screen I'm showing you. Okay, sharing my entire screen now. So Chatbase, you can see my screen, right? I hope so.
Yes,
So
yes.
once you can try for free, continue with Google. Um, continue. Okay, and we're here. So you'll click on new AI agents. And then, so ideally here, you're supposed to put in the file. So if you have information about so on this case, we're using the cube. So you might have maybe a document about the cube explaining very well what the cube does. And maybe you've even typed out frequently asked questions on ChatGPT about the cube, and then it's given you answers, and you have that in a document. You can upload that here. But for today, we're just going to scrape data off the website because we're saving time. So the site is the cube. Good search engine optimization. And nice. So you're going to come here on website, and then you're going to add the link, and that's going to fetch data and scroll through the links in that site. Oh my god, it is slow. Okay, done. Thank you. So then you're going to click on create agent, and now it's training, I'm assuming, a chatbot somewhere, and it's done. So what can I help you with? And then maybe I'll ask what is the cube, and then it will tell me the cube is an so that's ideally what a chatbot does, right? So now we need to customize it a little bit. So of course there are features that, like a feature like analytics, you'd need to pay for you to be able to see what questions are people that are coming on the site asking my chatbot. But there are things we can do without even needing to pay. Like now the chat interface, you notice it starts with hi, what can I help you with? We can even start with hello, welcome to the cube, how might I help you today, or something. Welcome to the cube, just like that. And then what else? You can add, maybe you want it to be a dark theme, you can upload, so that this is how it will look like. You can upload a profile picture, maybe the logo for the cube. What else can you do? You can customize the domain, and then you can even share this and export it to your site. So now it's in the bottom, but I think to do that, you might need to pay. So this is what it will look like. I hope you're seeing where I'll click. It will come in at the bottom of the page. But ideally, you get the idea. So these are the many things we can do with AI. Kitambo, it will be me scraping the data, training, something for me to just have this chatbot. But now you see how easy it is. Yeah, so go make chatbots for your sites.